What are the main connectivity issues industries face today? How do disruptions in network communication impact productivity and operations? Hi, I'm Gayatri Naikar, and today we will explore the modern automation and seamless connectivity, where every device communicates flawlessly. Ethernet switches are the lifeline of industrial network. They ensure the smooth flow of data between devices, real-time communication, reliability, and scalability. As industries become more digitized, the demand for robust, intelligent networking solutions has never been greater. Moxa Ethernet switches are designed to meet the rigorous demands of industrial environments. There are two types of Moxa Ethernet switches. The one is managed switches and the another is unmanaged switches. Moxa Ethernet switches ensure seamless connectivity across industries. They optimize manufacturing, enable real-time transport data, and provide reliable energy monitoring. In oil and gas, they withstand harsh conditions, ensuring field connectivity. For smart cities, they support traffic, public services, and surveillance, driving efficiency and security in a connected world. At Lubi Electronics, we understand the evolving demands of our customer. That's why we offer tailored Moxa Ethernet switch solution to ensure the uninterrupted connectivity and enhance network efficiency, whether it's for factory automation, smart transportation, or critical infrastructure. We provide reliable solution backed by unmatched expertise and support. Contact Lubi Electronics for your networking needs today.